Welcome back to my channel. Have you ever wondered why counting calories is so important when it comes to maintaining a healthy lifestyle? Well, let me tell you. Understanding and managing your calorie intake can be a game changer on your fitness journey. By knowing how many calories you consume and burn, you can effectively control your weight, fuel your body with the right nutrients, and achieve your fitness goals faster. So, let's get started with the basics. Before we dive deep into the world of calorie counting, let's understand what calories really are. Calories are units of energy that our bodies get from the food and beverages we consume. Every food item has a certain number of calories, and our body uses these calories for all its functions, including breathing, digestion, and physical activities. The key lies in ensuring that we consume the right amount of calories to maintain a healthy balance. Now that you understand what calories are, the next step is determining how many calories you actually need. This is highly dependent on various factors such as your age, gender, height, weight, and activity level. Calculating your basal metabolic rate, BMR, is a great starting point to find out your daily calorie requirements. There are several online calculators available that can help you with this. Remember, it's crucial to be aware of your individual needs to make the most out of calorie counting. Now it's time to learn the art of calorie tracking. To effectively manage your calorie intake, you need to keep track of what you eat throughout the day. While it may sound tedious, trust me, it's totally worth it. There are numerous apps and websites available that make calorie tracking super easy and convenient. Simply input the type and quantity of food you consume, and these apps will do all the complicated math for you. It's like having a personal nutritionist in your pocket. One common mistake people make when counting calories is underestimating portion sizes. It's crucial to be mindful of serving sizes to accurately track your calorie intake. Read food labels, use measuring cups, and weigh your food whenever possible. Trust me, this extra effort will pay off in the long run. Remember, knowledge is power, and portion control plays a major role in maintaining a healthy calorie balance. While counting calories is important, it's equally crucial to focus on the quality of the calories you consume. Nutrient-dense foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains should be your go-to choices, rather than empty calorie options like sugary snacks and beverages. By prioritizing wholesome foods, you'll not only meet your calorie goals, but also nourish your body with essential vitamins and minerals. Apart from managing your calorie intake, physical activity plays a significant role in achieving a healthy lifestyle. Along with counting calories, make sure you incorporate regular exercise into your routine. Whether it's running, dancing, or weightlifting, find an activity that you enjoy and get moving. Burning calories through exercise not only aids in weight management, but also boosts your overall well-being. There you have it, my friends. The ultimate guide to counting calories for a healthy lifestyle. I hope this video has empowered you with the knowledge and motivation to kickstart your calorie counting journey. Remember, it's all about balance, making mindful choices, and finding what works best for your body. So let's crush those calorie goals together and achieve our fitness dreams.